Hey, awesome! Thanks for the corner stop. I really appreciate it. You guys are great, and I have another corner call where I have some sticker swapping going on. I have won some prizes. I want to give some shout outs, and right now, this is what's going to happen, and let's get started. Okay, first off, I'd like to show my prizes, and I was second place winner at Ian Y. Gath, his channel. Yeah, come with all kinds of prizes. And I don't like surprises, so I have already taken a sneak peek here to see what I got. And Ian, thank you so much. I will be putting everybody's link in the description of this video, so you can go check them out. A t-shirt. Yes. I had one already, but this is a different style, a different insignia, I guess, right? And it's my size, XL. Oh, and a book. Mama Pappy's gonna like this too, because she's been reading and she's interested in this, in his steps. Okay, so that goes over real well in the corner here, let me tell you. Look what else I've got in here. I have a bracelet that says, I love Jesus. Awesome, nice leather bound. Here, I'll get it up a little closer, you can see it. Wonderful, wonderful prizes. Ian's got a great channel. He does storytelling. Has Cousin Ralph comes on and does some skits with Cousin Ralph. I have a little tag here with a press pin on the back. That's neat, Ian Y. Gath. I also have, okay, that's empty, but I have a letter here from Ian. I'll just read it for you. Oh, and look here. A boatload of stickers. Here they are. I have this one on the board, but I don't have this one on the board. And this is the t-shirt that I have already. Okay. The storytelling sticker. And here's Little Visits with Cousin Ralph. How cool is that? And a bigger sticker. And I'm really glad to be getting these stickers because I've got another video I'm going to work on where I do something with my extra stickers. And you'll be able to see that coming up sometime. So thanks for the extra stickers, Ian. Dear Pappy, congratulations on winning the second place prize in my 1,300 subscriber giveaway. The t-shirt is XL, so I hope that'll work for you. Thank you for the many years you have supported my channel. I truly appreciate it, and thank you. I look forward to seeing the many fun and informative videos you have in store for us on Pappy's Corner. Thank you again, and God bless Ian Y. Gath, aka Ian C. Payne. Okay. Once again, thanks, Ian. Okay, one more prize. I love showing my prizes. Matter of fact, I got it right here. Don't even have to look for it. Okay, this one is from, you pull it out here, Hillside View Forge. This is a new channel I subscribe to, and it looks like a pretty decent channel. He's into the, steel working business, right? Okay, Gary Brown, he's a proprietor. This is his card. Thank you, Gary, for letting me win your drawing. He had multiple winners also, and I'll show you what I won as soon as I read his letter. Thank you, Pappy's Corner, for supporting my channel and entering the giveaway. I hope you all enjoy the bracelet. I'm currently editing the video for YouTube, and I'll put a link to the video where he made this. Okay, it's a bracelet is what it is, and I'll show it to you here in just a sec. How I made the bracelet, yeah. Thank you again for all your support, Gary. Gary at Forging On. Okay. Check it out. I have looked at this. And I showed it to Mama Pappy, and that's who's going to end up with it. She loves it. Thank you so much, Gary. Here it is. Check it out. This is all hand forged. And here's his maker's mark on the inside of the bracelet. It's an anvil with his initials, GB. And the video, when he made this, I have the link in the description of this video. So check out his channel at, I think it's called Gary Forging On. Hillside View Forge. Don't wait, make, build, create. He's in Tennessee. Awesome. I want to go to Tennessee someday. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I've never been there. Okay, Gary, thank you for the prize. And I'm just going to keep right on moving on. Here is a channel that I have just recently subscribed to and asked if we could do a sticker swap. And bang, here we go. Eliminator Performance. And hey, says on the back, best wishes for your channel from the old man at EP. And there's their sticker. They have some pretty awesome high-tech stuff going on there. None of this monkey business like I do here on my corner. No, these guys are a little more professional. So you definitely got to check them out. Over here at Eliminator Performance. Links in the description. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Okay. Artie, I love your stickers, bud. Gravely Man Small Engine Repair. And I have 4 stickers here. Aren't these cool? Obviously, tells you right here what his channel is about. Small engines, Gravely's. You bet. Awesome. I've been learning some stuff. I've been watching his channel. So, go over there and check out Artie. He's in New Jersey. Okay, another sticker from Tyler Dixon over at Backwoods Boys Small Engines. And this is a very cool sticker right here. Look at that. You know, Pappy's son said he liked this sticker also. So go check out Taylor over at Backwoods Boy Small Engines. I started watching his channel, and he is among one of the nicest fellas that I've come across. Very nice fella. And very appreciative. Okay? He will thank you up and down if you stop and drop a comment on his channel. Link to his channel and everybody else's will be in the description. So hey, I'll put them up on the board and give you a quick look-see, and we'll sign off. Thanks for coming. All right, the stickers are up. And before I forget, I did want to mention I found just a quick note from Taylor over at Backwoods Boy Small Engines. He just says to me on this note, here is my channel sticker. Thanks for the sticker swap. Take care. So I wanted to be sure to read that to y'all. And there's Artie's Gravely Small Engine Repair. Small Engine Repair. There's Ian Y. Gath, Storytelling. You know, I've got another one there from Ian, and another one there from Ian. Him and I are buddies. We've been complimenting each other's channel for quite a few years. And there's little visits with Cousin Ralph. He's hilarious, let me tell you. And last but not least, Eliminator Performance. That is a high-end channel right there, people. Go check them out. And a quick glance at all the other stickers that I've collected over the years. Some are still with me and some have moved on. Okay, well, thank you for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace.